Okay, so this is the flooring that we're going to be installing.
And that is number 3 she's working on. And I have framed up my second box for the extension. My step system right there with extra support. So we are ready to rock and roll. I'm about to screw this together. And that one, stay tuned. So just to show you guys the type of work that's really going into making this happen, she's definitely making it happen. Look at the other 2 over on the walls.
Pretty much got ground covered. So remember, we started here and we were just in this little space right here, and then voila, we have gotten ground covered. Look at that, so much flooring. 3,500, I think over 3,500 square feet. So we just have this little piece right here to do tomorrow, and then tighten up the edges, and we're good to go.
Next, we covering the stage. We're starting to paint. Taking the walls from blue to a nice, soft, silver lining gray. But yeah, we are finalizing this floor. The stage is set, literally. The stage is set. And we're finalizing cuts. And she's pushing me. She said she's gonna make the cut. I'm gonna make the cut, finish the day.